Hey beautiful friends, it is Carissa here. I have this really fun little wind spinner for you to put out in your yard, and it's actually pretty windy out right now because it looks like it's gonna storm here. So something fun. I'm gonna try to get it out there before it starts raining so you can see it. It's made of metal. And you've got your instructions here on the back on how to organize and operate your little spinner. This one is so cute. It's got little flamingos on it. So that's what it looks like. You have your little hook here, so you can hook it on like whatever you might have outside. And then you can see the different levels here. So it says take the wind spinner out. And you're just gonna kind of twist, twist, twist like this, all the way around. So let's go put it up there.